Okay, we saw this earlier as one of our big questions. Virtual Mr. Simpson found a very interesting specimen to examine geologic history and cross-cutting relationships. So let's get things started here. As you can see, Virtual Mr. Simpson is standing on a piece of limestone, and that limestone is evident that there was a marine environment that occurred a long time ago in the past. The next thing we see is this breccia intrusion. Now, breccia is basically broken up rock caused by some great force, and then it's been injected into the existing limestone that was laid down prior to that. The next thing occurs is displacement, and along weaknesses within the existing rock, that breccia intrusion is broken or displaced to the left. Finally, Virtual Mr. Simpson discovers the specimen so he can share it with all of you guys. So let's recap cross-cutting relationships and how we use those to tell the story of this specimen that Virtual Mr. Simpson discovered. First of all, we have limestone that's been laid down in a marine environment. Secondly, we have this breccia intrusion that was caused by a great force as it goes across the limestone that existed before. Thirdly, we have this faulting that takes place that you can see evidence of displacement along the breccia intrusion as it shifted to the left towards Virtual Mr. Simpson. And finally, Virtual Mr. Simpson discovers it so he can share it with all you guys. That is just a great example of using cross-cutting relationships to develop a story of how this rock became.